Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com. Making this a small video about gold, right? So let's get started. Not gonna take you, far back. Only in October, they're just showing that this weekly chart I made in October that we finished the wave three here, and we're gonna fall in wave four, right? And the detail you can see on my previous video, no problem, right? So after that, this is a monthly chart, but then this start to drop, and then this is I mark here like it's gonna drop here, then it's gonna go up for B, and then come down for wave C, which will end wave four around 38%. So this is the what's happening. So A, and then it went up B. Now it started to come down for C, and then we went here. We came down here, and then we went up. We were there on the 9th, January 9th, which was, I believe that was last Friday, Thursday, right? So I made the video explaining all of that with these charts. That this is what's going to happen. It might go up first to 26.96 at 78% of this drop, and then it's going to drop. Similarly, I made a 4-hour chart as well, just to see more SNR levels here to deal with, right, on my different charts. So this one was the key chart that you might be going to 26.96 and then drop. And this is what exactly happened. It went up straight up to 26.96, 26.95, 67, something like that. And look what happened. It started to drop. Now, the idea was that it'll start to drop. If it is going to drop, then below 26.85, we look for the entry. This is the big high here, right? So below 26.85, and what happened today, I had this trade here, not this one. This is NASDAQ. Yeah, this is today, but it's NASDAQ. Where is the gold one? This is the gold one. See, it is from 100 box size, and then this white line is 26.85. So as soon as it went down below it, then it went up and it made the entry. I wasn't there, but I placed. What I do is that I place my EA expert advisor once I know exactly what is going to happen, but I need the perfect entry, right? So the EA comes very handy. So now EA opened the trade from here to here, and then start to wobble. So I said, oh, maybe going up again. So I closed this one. But then it went up, down, up, down. Let me show you the 200 box size chart. You see this one here. Yeah, so the entry was there. It came down here, then it went up. That was from 100 box size, by the way, right? So this is what happened. It went up, it came down, it went up, something like that. And then from here, it started to come down again. And let me show you what happened. Let me see this one here. So this is the chart, and then another entry. No, this is the pound. Okay, this is one. Right. So it came down here, it went up, and this is 26.73. It gave me the entry again, short entry. My EA took that entry as well for 120 pips as well. Right. And then other trades, for example, like euro yen and this 60 pip, and then pound yen for 120 pip. These two I called on the Telegram here. You can see GJ long at 190.77, which is right there, 190.77. My entry here. EA took that entry as well. EA long, EJ, euro yen, right, at 160.45, and you can see that was this chart. You see this entry here, 160.45. So this is the entry for 60 pip, and the other one is for 120. And I posted and I called for to close it, GJ closing for 90 pip, and I post here that close the GJ for 90 pip, but I held it a little bit more and then end up closing at 120 pip. This is the chart right there. See, this is a chart for GJ, and this is the chart for EJ. So this is the entry system, gives you very precise entries on all of those, right? Even this one, and you can see this gold entries are exactly the same way, right? And then NASDAQ entry, you will see exactly the same way. Same system, same conditions. Once the 4 conditions are there, my EA opens the trade, and that's about it, right? So if you want to learn all of this, if you like what you saw, and then you can go on my website here and sign up. You have monthly subscription, weekly, not weekly, but yeah, monthly, yearly, whatever. One-on-one coaching, where you learn from A to Z every single thing, all the studies, Elliott Wave, harmonic pattern, SNR level, trend line, this, that, Fibonacci, how to use it. you will become master of this trading business, not only forex, but trading business. Anything you can trade, you need this course, right? And then the other video courses, if you're interested in that, I have Elliott Wave course and harmonic pattern course. And by the way, if you email me and give the reference that you saw the video and you want these courses, I'll give you both for the price of one. All right, so this is how it is, and leave you here, right? And get ready for tomorrow again. And like I said, that more detail about the gold. You saw, you saw this video, but watch my previous video as well. That video is in more detail, exactly what happened in the past and how I'm doing it. But right now, it is dropping step by step, level by level. We will take it to the downside. All right, so just wanted to share with you guys to get ready, and I will talk to you guys later. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time, so you can take advantage of these videos, right? All right, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.